In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Albert Genius subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, I've highlighted a few different ways to cancel your Albert Genius subscription. So the first way is via the Albert app. So open up the Albert app on your mobile device and make sure to log in. Tap on the Genius button at the bottom of the screen and then tap on Manage Genius button or similar option, and then look for an option to cancel your subscription and follow the prompts. You may need to confirm your cancellation and provide a reason for it. All right, the second way is via email. So you can send a request to cancel your Albert Genius subscription to support@albert.com and include your account details for quicker processing. Another way is via text. So Albert also offers support via text. So text support to the Albert support number typically found in the app or their website and request to cancel your Genius subscription. Another way is via the website. So if you prefer to use a web browser, go to the official Albert website and make sure to log in. And then from there, navigate to your account settings and then find the option to manage or cancel your Genius subscription and follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. And on a side note, be sure to cancel before your next billing date to avoid being charged for the next period.